SHYIELD Concentrate is a safe, sustainable, and simple-to-use one-step disinfectant cleaner solution. SHYIELD is the first family of disinfectants registered by Health Canada, formulated for cannabis facilities, and are your solution for regulatory compliance. Supercharged by Accelerated Hydrogen Peroxide technology, SHYIELD delivers fast and effective cleaning and disinfection. The product is easy to dilute and, once diluted, has a long shelf life of up to 30 days, reducing waste. Our solutions are designed to be the safer choice for you and your staff. The concentrate in use is non-toxic, non-irritating, fragrance-free, and non-corrosive. Protect your facility and the environment with one technology. The active ingredient in SHYIELD, hydrogen peroxide, breaks down into water and oxygen, causing no environmental impact. SHYIELD Concentrate cleans and disinfects in one easy step. Now you can achieve disinfection against organisms of concern in as little as 5 minutes and sanitize in 30 seconds. SHYIELD Concentrate, once diluted, is the perfect solution for cleaning and disinfecting your facility's floors. The concentrate solution is ideal for your facility's mop bucket applications, and the formula's detergents provide excellent cleaning ability, even for those hard-to-reach areas such as ceilings, walls, and racking. SHYIELD Concentrate can help. The solution can be used in spraying and foaming applications to ensure consistent coverage and speed up your processes. You can even use the concentrate solution once diluted to immerse your larger equipment such as tubing, pots, and other reusable tools. SHYIELD Concentrate is compatible with a wide range of materials, protecting your equipment. To learn where else you can use SHYIELD and how we can help you shield your yield, visit our site today.